lost everything. They heard the smoke alarms. They knew to get out the house, so everyone was safe. The Red Cross has been very supportive. I've had counselors call me, people call me from Red Cross every single day to make sure that me and my family's okay. They've been supportive. They came straight out and they handed me a card that had money on it so we could go to a hotel and stay, so we could buy food for the family and to get a little bit of clothes. They're very important. Make sure that you have them. It will save your life. I'm thankful that my babies are just still here. Like that, I'm just thankful that I have my family. Everything else is replaceable. They're not, so.